Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I am going to cover the OvidSp. Eh, I am going to cover the topic that are most likely to appear in our exam that are given in our video file. So this is the link of the OvidSp is actually a paid website. You need to buy a subscription. Mm, but our university has already subscribed to it, so we can access it for free by using our university library's link. This is the link of our university library. You need to connect to university Wi-Fi network like HY for accessing this link. So in this video we are going to cover the field limiting search method available on OvidSp, and we will write the search history and the number of result, and after that we will add the bibliography. We have already covered how to add bibliography. This is same as previous, and after that we are going to uh, cover the citation search method. Actually we are going to search the same article that we are going to find first through this search field limiting search method, and this is then citation search. We will add our search history and the number of results. For sake of this video I am using the same question as we have used in our previous video on the search article about using insulin or glucophage in the treatment of type 1 diabetes mellitus from 2000 to present. So let's get started. First of all, copy this link and paste it in our email. Then this is the website of our university. So first of all, here you have to click on this second tab, and after that you have to click on this one, very one means foreign articles. Click on it. After that you are going to click on this LWW, which is actually OvidSp, which will lead to the OvidSp. And yes, this has opened the OvidSp, and now here click on select the full text journal of Hainan Medical University. And here first of all you have to convert the language from Chinese to English. For that, scroll down the page, and here you will find the English option. Click on it. Now our website is in English. So first of all we are going to search by using the field limiting method. By field limiting search method, so for that click on here search fields. Here you have to type your search prompt before, and but before that deselect the all field and because this is field limited search, we have to limit our fields. It's better you can select the title, because insulin, glucophage, diabetes, these type 1 diabetes, these are all title. After that, authors keyword, authors, and maybe a stack. These are better options. You can select anyone that you want according to your requirements. So here in basic search, write insulin or glucophage, and dia and you have to write the function capital, so website can understand these are function, not as a symbol or an adwords. Double check the spelling. If you have some doubt, you can go back and check the spelling from here. Okay, and here click on search. Yes, our search is completed and it is giving us 11 results. So but we haven't we haven't added the uh, year 2000 to current. So for that, come here to basic search, and from here publication years, and limit your years from 2000 to current. Okay, and click, you do not need to type anything here, and click on search. And this is our, you have to write these things in your search history, which is actually first part of your question. Search history, here you have to write these two things. Sorry, your searches and limit from 1 to year 2000 to current, this thing. And here you can find the number of the search results, which are actually 11. And now click on display results, and here in display results you can find the various articles. And now we have to write the bibliography of the article. So for any text, select any article that you like I'm going to select this article. And now in this video I am going to write the bibliography, so we can get more familiar how to write bibliography. And it's a really important question, it's definitely going to appear in our exam. So first of all, as we have studied in last video also, let me show you. We are going to write bibliography in this format: authors, then title, after that J, then journal name, publication year, issue, volume, issue, and pages. So first of all we have to write authors. So in this website they have also written author's name. After that they have written MD, MSc, their degrees. You do not need to write down this in your bibliography, just copy their names. Copy, and here I am writing the, I'm just writing the name. And after that you have to copy any three names that you want, like. After writing the three name, just write ETAL. After that we are going to write the title of the article, and full stop here. Now go and copy, we are going to copy this is the article of our, the title of our article. So copy this, paste it here, and after that we need to write J in our, into brackets after this thing here. After that we are going to add a journal name. This annals of the plastic surgery is our journal name, so copy it and paste it here. After that we are going to add the publication year. Do not forget to add full stop after, like adding journal name, title, and everything like this. Author's name, ETAL, after that full stop. And here we have So first of all, we have to add publication year. This is 2020. We do not need to add the January and month or date with it. Only 2020 is enough. 2020. Full stop. After that, we have to write the volume, which is volume and issue number, which is 84 and 1. So write 84 in brackets. This is our volume and this is our issue number. After that, you have to this two dot sign, and after that you are going to add the page numbers. So go on the website, and this is our page number 106 to 112. Page 106 to 112. So this is our bibliography for the one of the article we got through our search. After that we have to find this same article by using the citation method. So let's do it. And come back to the home page, and here click on the find citations, and here you have to find the same article that you have written the bibliography right now. You may have to find another article. If teacher asks, they will give you the publication year and volume and issue number of that article. So for that, go back where we have written the bibliography, and in bibliography you do not need to copy the everything. Just copy the volume number, issue number and page number, and you are good to go. So, and publication year 84 106 and 2020. And click on search, and here we are finding only one result. This means we have done it correctly. You do not need to write article title or journal name. You can write if you want, but it may increase your work. You do not need to do it. Simply click on display results, and here we can see this is the same article of which we have written a bibliography. And that's all for this video. Thank you. You need to only do this part for your literature exam. Thank you.